Hello students, how are you?
We are fine, sir.
Tell the question.
Sir, please explain us how can we use gota according to spoken English.
Okay, Rakshita, today I will try my best to explain that how can we use gota according to spoken English and specifically according to informal manners. Guys, gota is used to express necessity and obligations. Is that clear? When you perform any task in that condition, you can use. For example, if you perform any task with necessity and obligation, in that manner you can use gota. It's a fantastic thing. How? I tell you. First of all, I write here that gota, okay, is used to express obligations, and second, necessities. Do you understand? Guys, for example, I say that I gota, go now. Is that clear? It's mean मुझे अब जाना होगा. It's obligation. It's necessary for me. So for the necessity and the obligation, I can use gota. अब मुझे पढ़ना होगा. I gota read. Otherwise, you can use study now. You understand? अब मुझे पढ़ना होगा या स्टडी करना होगा. It's mean for the obligation and the necessity we can use gota. Is that clear? Yes. And guys, gota is used in only spoken English. Gota cannot be used in the English grammar. Is that clear?
Yes.
So guys, if you want to become a perfect English master according to English spoken, then you can use this topic gota. Believe me guys, gota is just only ZR. Golden rules according to spoken English, and you can use only for the necessity task and the obligation task. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Another example you can try. For example, that he gota leave from here. Is that clear? उसे यहाँ से निकलना होगा. उसे एग्जाम देना होगा. सी गोटा attempt exam. Okay, you can say appear in exam. You understand? सी गोटा appear in exams. उसे एग्जाम में प्रेजेंट होना होगा. उसे एग्जाम को अटेम्प्ट करना होगा. So guys, for the obligation and necessity task, then you can use gota as a spoken English as a informal task. Is that clear? So guys, if you like this topic, then you can share it and you can use it in your practical life. Thank you so much guys. All the best.